Some news on Andre Russell, Jamaican cricketer, West Indies cricketer, Calcutta Knight Riders cricketer. All right. We all know he picked up an injury recently. The Knight Rider fans are more concerned about him being ready for qualifier two. As far as that is concerned, Ewan Morgan is saying it's kind of touch and go, and they'll see how it goes on Tuesday. All right. So we are not sure if he will be fit and ready to play in qualifier two. But however, Roger Harper is saying that we expect Russell to be fully fit to take part in the ICC T20 World Cup and to help the West Indies to defend their title. All right. Now, the Jamaica Gleaner is saying chairman of the West Indies selection panel, Roger Harper, says he expects explosive Jamaican all-rounder Andre Russell to be fit and ready for the regional side when they defend their International Cricket Council ICC T20 World Cup title when the competition begins in just over a week in the United Arab Emirates. All right. The big hitting all-rounder has been sitting out several games in the ongoing Indian Premier League for his franchise, Calcutta Knight Riders, following a hamstring injury the St. Catherine native picked up while playing against the Chennai Super Kings. Harper said he was updated on Russell's injury situation when he is confident that the man dubbed Superman will recover in time to join up with the West Indies team, which is already in Dubai. All right. The West Indies medical staff is in touch with the staff of his club team, and from all indications, he should be recovered in time for the start of the competition. All right. Not such great news for the Calcutta Knight Riders, but for the West Indies fans, it's hopeful. All right, guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we see you next time. Thanks for watching.